Hi, my dear student. Today we will learn units of time, measure elapsed time. Topic number 14, lesson 2. The objective of our lesson today, I can measure intervals of time in hours and minutes. Dennis went to see a movie. The movie started at 1:05 p.m. It ended at 2:35 p.m. How long did the movie last? Explain your reasoning. So here we're having the starting time and here we're having the ending time. Now, look here everyone. First, start at 1. The movie started at 1:05 p.m. The hour hand, think about the hour hand. Moved 1 from 1 to 2. So 1 hour from 1 to 2. That's it. Then the minutes hand moves to the 7. So as we all know that the minutes we're using skip counting by how many? Yes, by 5. Excellent students. So since 5 minutes starts at 1, now I'm gonna count. Okay, I'm going to count. It ends at 7. So I'm gonna count by 5 or skip counting by 5 starting from 1. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the movie lasted 1 hour and how many minutes? Excellent, 30 minutes. So I started first with the hour, then I skipped the minutes, so it took 1 hour and 30 minutes. So here the movie lasted 1 hour and 30 minutes. Look back, without counting hours and minutes, how do you know the movie Dennis went to see was less than 2 hours? Think about this. The movie started at 1:05. So if it took 2 hours, so the hour will be how many? So it's 1. Add 2 to 1. Yes, 3. So the hour is supposed to be 3:05, right? But actually the movie ended at 2:35. Sorry. The movie ended at 2:35, not at 3. So of course it took less than 2 hours. So 2 hours from 1:05 p.m. is 3:05 p.m. The movie ended at 2:35. So it was less than 2 hours long. Now look, the elapsed time, this is important vocabulary. Elapsed time means the total amount of time that passes from the starting time to the ending time. So like here, the 1 hour and 30 minutes, it's called elapsed time. It's called elapsed time. Now, the hours between midnight and noon are p.m. The hours between noon and midnight are the hours between midnight and noon are a.m. Okay, now, look everyone, listen to me. Do you remember when we have the first classes, the teacher used to come and say, "Good morning," and you all reply, "Good morning, teacher." We say good morning till 12. But after 12, when we have you like in the 7th or 8th, sometimes in the 8th period, we don't say good morning. We say good afternoon, right? Why do we say good afternoon? Because in the 12, in the day, during the day, not in the midnight, during the day when the hour becomes 12, that means we are in the noon. Okay, so we started with the p.m. So we say good afternoon. Now from 12 during the day till 11 at night, we say p.m. But starting from 12 at night in the midnight, till 11 during the day, we say a.m. Okay? Jenny took part in a charity walk. The walk started at 7 and 10 minutes a.m. That means in the morning. It ended at 11 and 20 minutes a.m. So also in the morning. How long did the walk last? So first, let's skip count using the hours. Okay, look here. So from 7 till 11, let's count how many hours we have. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hours. And let's see the minutes. The minutes, she started at 10 minutes and ended with the 20 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes is on 2. 10 minutes is on 2. So, and don't forget, we're skip counting by 5. Let's skip count by 5, 10, okay? Sorry, let's skip count by 5 till, yes, I need 10 minutes. 1, 5, 10. So, we have 4 hours and 10 minutes. So, the walk lasted for 4 hours and 10 minutes. The 4 hours and 10 minutes is called elapsed time. It's called elapsed time. So, why did I start with 2? Again, why did I start with 2? Because she started at 7 and 10 minutes. 10 minutes is on 2. And she ended at 11 and 20 minutes. 20 minutes will be on 4. So how many minutes we have? 5, 10 minutes between 2 and 4. Okay? Now look at this question. Focus very carefully. After the charity walk, Jenny talked with friends from 11:25 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. Then lunch was served from, look at this, 11:45 a.m. until 2:10 p.m. So look, we have p.m. here. Why? Because as I told you, at 12, the time changed from a.m. to p.m. So we started with the noon. Okay? So how long did lunch last? Look what I did here. This way is easier. I think about this. Why don't we complete the minutes till 12, then count the hours? Okay? So what I did here is I asked myself, from 11:45 till 12, how many minutes I have? Look here. Here is 45, right? I want to complete it till here. So let's skip count by 5. Count with me. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so I wrote 15 minutes. Now the time is 12. Okay, now let's go to the hours. In this case, it's easier for me to count the hours. So now I have 12. The time is 12. And since the lunch was served at 2:10 minutes, so I will count from 12 till 2. 12, 1, sorry, start at 12, 1. In this time, we don't have 13. Immediately we go to 1. 1, 2. So how many hours I counted? 2 hours. Okay, but the time now is 2 only. And the lunch was served at 2:10 minutes. So I need how many more minutes? Yes, perfect. I need 10 minutes more. Now, let's add all of them. 2 hours, put them aside. Then 15 plus 10, 25. So, how long did lunch last? 2 hours and 25 minutes. Okay, is that clear? Okay, we can use another way to measure the time, okay, to measure the elapsed time. We can use the number line. Now, what's her name? Janie started her walk at 7 and 10 a.m. Okay, so from 7 until a.m. till 11 and 10, I needed 4 hours till 11 and 10. But she ended at 12 and 20. So from 11 and 20. So from 11 and 10 minutes till 11 and 20, I need 10 minutes. So now I can look, I have 4 hours and 10 minutes. Question number 1. If a start time is 7 and 15 a.m. and an end time is 8 and 5 a.m., why do you not have to count hours to find elapsed time? Look here. From 7 and 15 till 8 and 5, I don't have a complete hour. How you will know? If you added 1 hour to 7 and 15 minutes, add 1 to 7. You're gonna get 8 and 15 minutes, right? But look at the time. It's less than 8 and 15 minutes. So I'm only counting minutes, not hours, okay? So the elapsed time is less than 1 hour because, as we said, from 7 and 15 a.m. to 8 and 15 a.m. is 1 hour. And I have 8 and 5 a.m. is less than 8 and 15. Question number 2. A movie started at 2:30 p.m. and ran for 2 hours and 15 minutes. What time did the movie end? Look what we are going to do. Take the hours and take the minutes. The hours, add them to the hours, the minutes to the minutes. Now, 30 plus 15 is 45. Here's 45. 2 plus 2 is 4. So the time is 4 and 45 what? Yes, p.m. Excellent. Question number 3. Draw arrows on the second clock to count the hours from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. What is the elapsed time? This one is very easy. We started at 11. Okay, so point on 11. Let's keep counting till 5. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's stop at 5. So how many hours I have? 6 hours. So the elapsed time is 6. This was our lesson for today. I'm waiting your answers. Solve the independent practice and the homework. If you have any question, just send me a message. I'm waiting your answers. Goodbye, everyone.